everybody.
Hello.
I'm reunited with Kate, except this time we are in California. Currently, I actually wanted to make this video because we are in a special sort of car. We are in a 2022 Toyota Corolla, but not just any Corolla. You want to tell them what kind of Corolla it is?
An Apex?
It is a Corolla Apex. Now, the Corolla Apex was a special edition of Corolla that Toyota had released. Came with a couple of different features. Had a special colored and designed specific for the Corolla Apex, the body kit. I'll show clips of that later, as well as a track tune suspension, so it's on like factory lowering springs. Comes in a 6-speed manual.
The car is very messy.
Not that messy. But also there's only, I believe in the manuals, 112 of them made. Now, I will post a couple driving clips later, but honestly, driving this car, it's very nimble for what it is. It only makes 160 horsepower, but it can pull its own weight. It can get out the way. It is very planted as well, you know, given with the slightly stiffer and slightly lower track tune suspension. It does a pretty good job at reducing body roll, not too much wheel hop. I don't think it has an LSD, but you know, I took a turn around 60-70 miles an hour in this car, and it took it well. Took it very well. So I'll try to post a couple more clips right now. We're actually heading out to get some food with Kate's friends, and hopefully I can get some outside pictures for you guys. And one of the reasons why I wanted to film this is because I haven't done too much Type R content in a while, and that's because I'm just waiting on things to come in. But when I go back, I will have a surprise on the Type R for you guys. Something small, something minimal, but I think it will be worth looking at. So I'll see you guys very soon. So here is the Corolla Apex, and as I mentioned before, you get a little bit of bronze colored accents here. I believe that's a front lip that comes with it as well. You get different wheels, and if you notice, the car is slightly lower than stock. With the stock tires and stock wheel, there's about 3-finger wheel gap, whereas regular Corollas would be much higher. Comes with a rear diffuser as well. Oh yeah, would you look at that? A rear diffuser, and it might have an exhaust.
Yeah, it does.
It does. All right. So and there we go with the Apex badging. So yeah, you want to do a little cold start so we could hear it. Very subtle, very nice little cold start. I'm trying to think of what else comes with it. I mean, again, more bronze accents on the side skirts. You've got the rear spats. But other than that, there's nothing else different about it. Engine is the same, I believe, than the base model. But again, you get the sports tune suspension, the manual transmission.
The trash does not come with the car.
Yeah. But I'm not going to do any driving for this video. It's going to be more of a ride along so that we can show that Kate does know how to drive manual.
I knew first.
What do you mean first?
I dailied first.
I dailied the RSX back in the day. But we're going to let the car... Oh, shit. We're going to let the car warm up for a bit. My hair is not cooperating today.
A-par tipper deck.
What?
A-par tipper deck.
Where have I heard that?
Cavern.
Yeah, that one. But yeah, we are going to be going to San Jose today. Have a little bit of fun at round 1. Maybe get that into the video as well. But yeah. So how long have you owned the Corolla Apex for?
Maybe 3 years now.
So in the 3 years that you've been dailying it, have you enjoyed it so far? You can see you get pretty good gas mileage out of this.
This is the shitty mileage. It gets better.
Yeah.
Like, the mileage is pretty good. It's a really good daily. I would commute it. I would literally go back and forth up and down California. So I would drive it like 6 hours down, 7 hours, 6, 7, 8 hours up and down, pretty frequently. So it's comfortable for long rides. The only concern is if you're like doing like a family car ride, the AC doesn't really reach the back.
There's no back vents.
No back vents. So if you have a kid, that's like hard.
They better get fried back there. She actually just ordered coilovers for this, some Teen Flex Z coilovers, because she's going to be getting new wheels, and I will send pictures when she gets that put on. But she's getting some Advans, so she's always wanted some indigo blue Advans on Teen Flex Zs so that she can lower the car. We were gonna get springs, but she kind of wanted the full adjustability of dampening, and you know, since this car already comes on factory springs, it really wouldn't make sense to get even lower springs. So, copyright! Guys, I won this in my first try. I won it in my... She won this in her first try. I won my Iris figure because I'm wearing my HoloLive shirt. But holy shit, my glorious king is coming home. And we are...
After we ship it.
After we ship it. Well, we're about to get some boba in Cupertino. So, if we find where we parked. Well, last time I was here, we went to the mall and we lost the car.
Yeah.
We circled around for around 30 minutes. Which
It was
side
more than 30 minutes.
Did you pull in? Oh yeah, wait, you're on that side because... Oh, I see you. Yeah, you're all over there.
Oh, you don't see me.
Oh shit. We won today. Thank God. Here we are at... We got the meats. So we just finished our dinner at Gyukaku Barbecue.
I custom made our menu for the night just because I wanted specific things.
It's kind of crazy because we ended up in Cupertino to try out this boba place, this Michelin star boba place, which in fact, the first time ever that I've gotten seconds at a iced tea place. But lo and behold, the Gyukaku was actually in Cupertino as well. But yeah, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Kind of, again, impromptu, random ride along with this really rare,
dirty car,
but rare Toyota Corolla Apex Edition. I didn't feel like driving today. I could have, I didn't. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, Type R content will be coming back in the coming weeks. When I get back home, I will show you guys the update, because I put something special on it. Oh God, it's dark. Usually when I record my vlogs, I turn on the light.
It's cold.
She says it's cold. This is nothing. What's the weather right now?
62 degrees.
It is 55 degrees.
That's cold.
Cold.
I was in front of a grill.
I'm wearing shorts in 55 degrees. I've worn shorts in 20-degree weather.
Mental illness.
No, it's East Coast habitant. Anyways, guys, it's been Oliver.
It's been Kate.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.